Understanding, sweating like a pig, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom, sweating like a pig. Have you ever heard someone use this phrase and wondered what pigs have to do with sweating? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Sweating like a pig is an idiom used to describe someone who is sweating very heavily. It's often used after physical activity, during hot weather, or in stressful situations. But here's a fun fact. Pigs don't actually sweat much. So, why do we use this phrase? It's one of the quirky aspects of idiomatic language that makes learning English so interesting. The origin of sweating like a pig has nothing to do with actual pigs sweating. Instead, it's believed to come from the iron smelting process. In this process, molten iron cools and solidifies in sand molds, and the channels created for the iron to flow are called pigs. As the iron cools, it can appear to sweat, due to the air cooling the outer surface faster than the inside. This industrial process somehow gave birth to the phrase we use today. Using idioms like sweating like a pig can add color to your conversations and make your English sound more natural. Here are a few examples. After running the marathon, I was sweating like a pig. It's so hot in here, I'm sweating like a pig. During the interview, I was so nervous that I started sweating like a pig. Remember, while idioms can make your language richer, they are often informal. It's best to use them in casual conversations rather than in formal settings. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom, sweating like a pig, and its surprisingly non-porcine origins. Idioms like these are what make learning English exciting and full of surprises. Next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and where it comes from. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to sprinkle your conversations with idioms. See you in the next video, and happy learning!